This Dremel is the workhorse of the Dremel brand. New enhancements such as the Easy Twist integrated wrench nose cap accessory allows you to switch between accessories without the Dremel wrench. The 360-degree grip zone improves balance and comfort, while the improved venting and redesigned fan make this Dremel run cooler and stay comfortable for longer duration jobs. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sanding. Sand, smooth, shape, or grind wood and fiberglass for clean finishes or surface prep. Number 2. Carving. Engraving. Whether it's engraving soft or hard materials, Dremel offers the right accessory. Number 3. Cutting. The versatility of a rotary tool allows you to cut just about any material with the right accessory. Number 4. Cleaning. Polishing. Put the sparkle on your projects and clean tough-to-reach areas on a variety of materials. Number 5. Grinding. Sharpening. Restore your furniture and appliances by removing rust or sharpening your tools so they're like new again. Number 6. Versatile Rotary Toolkit. Includes this Dremel corded rotary tool, 2 attachments, 28 high-quality Dremel accessories, plastic storage case, and accessory case. Number 7. High-performance 1.2 amp motor. Provides maximum power and performance at all speeds. Number 8. 6 variable speeds. Provide greater control and maximum accessory versatility and precise tool control, 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. Number 9. Innovated airflow system. Ventilation mechanism helps prevent heat buildup for smoother, cooler, and quieter operation. Number 10. Slim and ergonomic body. 360-degree grip zone for added comfort and grip during extended use. Number 11. 28 versatile accessories included. Ideal for DIY or crafting projects like sanding, sharpening, grinding, cutting, carving, polishing, and cleaning, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.